Dear student, I hope all you are doing fine in your home. Student, last class we have discussed about our Earth, our magical planet, that is Earth. How Earth is giving everything and how Earth is home to our. So all we have discussed means once again we will revise it. Earth is the third planet, and in this Earth everything is there. All things are exist on the Earth only. There is water, forest, animals, peoples, and other houses. So plants, all are the things, and 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans, means that is, and water, and remaining land, and the sun which is provides light to us, and the Earth is called blue planet because most of the part is covered by water. So this is the all the interesting fact what we have already discussed in the previous classes. But now today we will discuss about the shape of the Earth. The shape of the Earth, how its shape. So chapter 2 lesson number 2, shape of the Earth. Today we are going to learn what is the shape of the Earth. Can anyone tell me what is the shape of the Earth? Yes, very good. Very good. Circular, round. Okay, very good. So before you going to learn about the shape of the Earth, student, you observe these two figure, you observe very carefully and tell me what you are observing. This is a ball and this is a orange. Very good. This is ball and this is a orange. So can anyone find what is the difference and how they are looks, how they are looking? Very good. Ball is looking red and it's looking yellow. Okay, very good. Anyone? It's also round. It's also round. Very good. Anything else? So student, I will tell you, ball also looks round. It is not looks round, but somewhat you see some in top position there is some little bit flat is there. Okay, but it is circular or round in shape. So like this I will show you. See student, here it is a ball in front of you. It is a ball. With this ball we will play cricket. So like this you see this figure, it is circular or round in shape. Round in shape. Everywhere round in shape. So like this ball and this ball are same. But if you compare with this is the orange. See, you might have seen orange in your home when your parents brought to orange to your home for eating. You might have observed many times orange. The orange looks not exactly the ball. Yes or no? Because ball is round in shape, but orange in you will see in top position it is somewhat flat. See, orange will be looks like, see, orange this is the orange. Okay, this is the orange, but ball if you will see, cricket ball will looks like this. Yes or no? So this is the orange, O-R-A-N-G, orange. This is the ball. Okay, this is the ball and this is the orange. See, this top position is flat, but here everywhere circular round in shape, but here not totally round. In top position and bottom position, this position and this position are flat. Okay, so both are not look same. So like this, student, our planet Earth is looks exactly our orange. Okay, not exactly ball. So our planet Earth is round in shape, but it is looks exactly like orange. In top position flat and bottom position flat also there. But it will, our Earth will not looks like a ball. Like how this ball is looking, our planet Earth is not looks like a ball, because there is no flat in top and bottom. But in orange there is flat position, this top and bottom flat is there. So our Earth is looks like orange. So I will show you. See student, this is our, I will show you properly student, very carefully. Come, I will show you the globe, how our planet will looks exactly orange. See student, here this is the globe, means small model of our planet, that is Earth. It's how it looks. See, it's not looks exactly like ball, it looks like exactly orange, because you see this position and this position, they are flat. Okay, this position is little flat, top position, and bottom position also, this position is flat. So this is our Earth, small Earth. Okay, it how our Earth looks exactly that globe, or this is looks exactly our Earth. Top and bottom position are little bit flat, means like orange in shape. You might have observed many orange in your home when your parents brought to you your home, you can see. And our exactly our Earth looks like a round like orange. Understood students? So see, it is our planet Earth, how our planet moves, it is also moves, and top position is flat, this position, and this position also flat. Okay, it's like orange in shape, not in ball shape. Understood students? Now let's come to books. So student, what we have observed, our Earth planet looks exactly our orange. Okay, not in, see, our Earth looks round, round, round. So student, first our Earth looks round in shape like a orange. You observe the careful this picture, it is a orange. So our Earth looks exactly like orange, means top position, you see, this is the top and this is the bottom, two position are flat in structure. So these are called our Earth, because it looks like orange. How the orange flat in top and bottom position, same our Earth also looks exactly like a orange. And middle, I said, it is little flat at the top and bottom, and there is a slightly bulge in the middle. See student, see, it is a bulge. This is the top position and this is the bottom position, and this is the bulge. See, this is the bulge. Bulge means somewhat they will come outside. Bulge means to swell or curve outward, means outside. I will show you what is bulge. See, it is a balloon. If I will press, then it will come. This position is called bulge. Bulge. This position means it will come curve like structure or swell outside. That position is called bulge in shape. This shape is called bulge. Okay, this is called bulge. See, it is now it is circular. Now it is plus. That is means middle position is called bulge. Understood? See, I will show you the picture. What is bulge? See student, here bulge means to swell or curve outward. See, a fat boy is sitting. His belly is too big and it is came outside, means it's too big, belly is there. That position is middle position is called bulge, bulge. So our earth looks exactly like this orange, and in orange you might have seen in middle it looks like balls in structure, means that structure same. So this is our earth shape. Means first of all our earth is looks round in shape like a orange, and it is little flat at the top and bottom like orange, top and bottom flat, and there is a slight balls in the middle there is a slight balls means I said you this type of shape, and I showed you balloon also. So balls means it came out somewhat outward to swell or curve outwards. This is called balls in shape. So these are the our shape of the earth. First of all our earth is round in shape like orange, not like a ball, not like a ball. Okay. So understood student? Is it clear about the shape of our earth? So now we will go for another part of our earth. See student, I will tell you, observe carefully. See, observe and tell. Here you can see the picture. What is the picture? There is a tree, and there is tree also, road is going, and here sky looks like sky, and here some tree are there also in far distance, and it is written horizon. Now we will read what is there in this picture. Just go up a tall building with an adult, means just go up a tall building with an adult, means if you have 3/4 floor in your home, then you go to your terrace and go with your parents, don't go alone. Okay. And you will see the sky and the land meeting at the distance. You will see the sky and the land meeting at a distance. You will also see the sky and the sea meeting when you stand at a seashore, the place where the sky seems to meet the land or the sea is called horizon. See student, first of all I will tell you what is horizon and how will you find it. See student, if you have 3/4 floor building in your home, otherwise if you will go to any other relatives home, if they have any 3/4 floor, then go to up or go to terrace with your parents, not alone, and look at very far. You will see the sky and the land. Sky and the land, they will meet. See the picture very carefully. See the sky and the land. We will observe the sky and the land, they are meeting at a point. Is it clear? It is also looks like a sky and land, they are meeting each other at a distance. You will also see the sky and sea meeting when you stand at a seashore. When you will go to a seashore, you will look at the far distance towards the sea. Then you will see, observe, the sky will meet the sea at a after some distance. That the place where the sky and seems to meet the land or sea is called horizon. That part is called horizon. Okay, and that line is called horizon. Where we will see that picture very carefully, student. Here this part is, or this line, we can say horizon, because it is observed, it seems that sky and land, they are meeting here only, but they will not meet anywhere, but from far distance it will looks exactly like they are meeting a point, means sky and land, they are meeting each other, but it's not like that. But that line, where we will find out, if you go out, come out your home and observe very far distance to front of you, and you will observe that your sky and your land surface, they are meeting a point, means that point is called, this point is called horizon. Okay student, understood? So now let's come with me, I will show you what is horizon line. See student, here in front of you sky is there and many buildings and trees are there, and you look at far distance there, and you will see that our sky is meeting the after this building. Yes or no? It seems exactly like that only. So that line is called horizon line, means it is imaginary line, means we cannot imagine also. When you will observe, when you will see our front, you see our sky. After that means building or some that tree. After that tree, our sky meets the land. So this part is called, this line is called what? Where we are looking, we are observing that our sky is meeting the land is called horizon line. Understood, student? So this is called horizon line. Very carefully you see. When you will see the far distance, you will find out our sky is meeting or our sky is ending there in behind the building. Tower network, tower is there, you see. You will find out that our sky is ending after that or behind that tower. That means that point where you are finding that both the sky and land are meeting each other, that point is called or that line is called horizon. Understood? So but in real it is not exactly like that. Okay, there is no ending point, there is no meeting of earth and sky. Understood, student? So it is a very imaginary line, but from far distance it looks exactly like they are meeting each other, means sky and land they are meeting at a point. So this is called horizon line. See very carefully, far distance means you will think it is our sky and our land is meeting, that means our sky is ending at that point. Understood, students? Now come to our book. We will know many more things about it. So once again I will read that what is horizon. The place where the sky seems to meet the land or sea is called horizon. Means that part. Okay, it looks that sky and land they are meeting here only. So that part is called, that line is called horizon. Horizon, horizon. The place where the sky seems to meet the land or the sea is called horizon. Horizon, that is called horizon. Okay, that means if it is a, this is the sky. Okay, this is the sky cloud and this is the land flat, tree are there, you will find out if you will look at the very far distance, you will see the sky and that land part is meeting here. Okay, it looks like that figure, that part is called horizon. In this picture also you might have seen very properly, you observe here clearly, you see this line is called horizon. Where horizon is written means it looks like sky and land they are meeting here only, but in real life in exactly it's not like that. If you go that place, you will from that place to far distance you will like another horizon. So it looks like that part is called horizon, but in real life it's not like that. Understood, student? So what is horizon? So next class we will discuss about movement of the earth. Okay, movement of our earth. So what we have to study today? Shape. And what is the shape of the earth? So our earth shape is round, it looks like exactly orange, and our earth is flat. See, it is our earth. This is our earth, This is the flat surface and this is the flat surface. This is the top position, this is the bottom, bottom, bottom position. Okay, and this position is called also flat, flat, flat. So our earth is looks so student, this is called horizon. The place where the sky seems to meet the land or the sea is called horizon. See in this picture, here sky and land, they are meeting here this line. This is written horizon. So like this, when we will go look at the outside, we will observe our sky will ending after some distance or after some kilometer. There we will observe sky and both land, they are meeting at that point. So that point is called horizon. So student, today we will discuss about shape of the earth and horizon. Now you see, this is the globe, means a small model of our earth. It is our earth, means globe, GLOB, globe. Okay, and this is called earth. Our earth. So it is the small model of our earth. It's called that is globe. This is the top position, and this is the bottom position, which is flat, looks like exactly orange. See, I will show you. See student, here orange. This is the flat position. Down also flat, but this is balls in shape. Means balls, I told you, they are come outside. Okay, the part which will come outside is called balls. This is the top, this is the bottom. This position is flat in, like looks like exactly orange, not ball. So our earth looks exactly like or orange, not look like a ball. So I see that is called balls. Means this part, middle part of our earth is called balls. Balls I will show you through the balloon also. So this is also all about the shape of our earth and our horizon. So next class student, we will discuss about the movement of our earth. How we are moving from one place to another. We are going or walking, then coming. Like this, whether we have to check whether our earth is moving or not, our earth is going somewhere or not. Okay. So next class we will discuss the movement of our earth. Okay student, and it will be very interesting of all of you. It is very interesting fact of our earth. So student, I hope everyone understood properly about the shape and horizon. So next class we will discuss about movement. Before wind up, I will tell you one thing student, watch the video 2-3 times and read the books, and whatever I written you have to write in your notebook. Any doubt you may ask me directly phone or comment box also, and the video you should watch. This is your homework. Shape the you think of our earth. You have to the shape you think our earth. How is the earth shape? There is 5 shape is given differently. Which shape is a perfect or which shape is correct? You have to put tick. Okay, this is homework for you. And similarity difference I told you already, and previous chapter previous classes I told about whatever the things we take from our earth and whatever the things we don't need from our earth, you have to write down this with pencil. And this fill in the blanks I already told you through our note. You have to read the books in previous class, and you have to check my notebook what I written in the video. You have to see the carefully video, then you fill up both this is your homework for you. Okay, so lastly homework I am tell you. See student, homework is fill in the blanks in book. Okay, understood student? I hope everybody clear about it. So student, thank you. very much. Take care.